Alright, let's go down here. Glass. Have you guys also seen that parrot in your YouTube shorts? Apollo, the parrot? Who says, what's it made of? Glasc.
What's this bottle made of?
Glass.
No, you haven't seen it? You don't watch shorts, and I respect that. I respect the avoidance of the short form content. However, you must make an exception for this adorable parrot who is very smart, named Apollo. And he can easily identify many materials such as Glasc or paper or bug. Wario! Yes, Wario! Can identify materials such as Wario as well. Metal! Shrek. It's so cute, but every time I see Glass, all I can think about is this parrot, this cute parrot saying Glasc. Like a robot. Earn a pistache? You saw it on Twitter though? Does he have a Twitter? I didn't know. What's it made of? Paper. It's a bug.